Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Troy in this video. In today's video, I want to do something out of the ordinary. I normally post videos about, multiple ways of making an income from home. But in this video, I'm a firm believer in your health is your wealth. I mean, if you don't have your health, it doesn't make any sense to have all the money in the world and not really truly be able to enjoy it, because you might be bound to a bed because of the habits that we have in terms of what we eat, what we do on a regular basis. If that is the case, we can control our actions and we can control what we do on a day-to-day basis. So I wanted to show you a 30-day transformation using myself as an example. I've always wanted to do one of these videos. I've never done it before, so instead of me just watching everybody else do it, now that, because of COVID-19 and being stuck in the house, basically, I have the time, not only the time, but I have the energy. See, normally with my job, I'm exhausted afterwards. I'm always on my feet, constantly hustling, bustling, moving and running, doing all those things. Here and there, I'll be at my desk doing whatever else I have to do at the computer, with shooting out emails, paperwork, whatever that is. Now that I got time and energy, I'm finally able to do what I've been wanting to do for a while. So even in the bad circumstances that we have right now, I'm trying to do all I can do to bring out some positive out of this. So what I'm gonna do right now is give you a picture and see my physique as it is right now. And in 30 days, we're gonna come back so you can see the transformation, all right? Guys, I'm a man of my word. I have to do what I say I'm gonna do, otherwise I don't feel right. So because I wanna get better, and because I'm telling you that I'm gonna come back in 30 days, that's gonna hold me accountable to continuously work out, to continuously eat right, to stay consistent. That's what this is gonna do personally for me. And what I hope to accomplish out of this video is to inspire you or help you to want to push forward and do whatever you would think you need to do, whether it be working out, doesn't matter what it is. It can be business, it don't matter what it is. Hopefully this is going to inspire you to push forward and can remain consistent in whatever it is that you want to do. So you see my look? See that? All right, so now in 30 days, hopefully I'm ripped. I want to be ripped. That's one of my goals. I want to be ripped and a little bigger in the arms and stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one is a little weird. Back in sit-ups. And this is just abs. I ain't do push-ups yet. I ain't do no chest workouts yet. Crazy.
Harder. You can extend your legs and move your arms overhead.
Three more.
The next, 20 abdominal crunches.
Smile for the camera.
Huh?
Smile for the camera.
I'm about to be crying in a second. It's just halfway. I'm loaded. I'm loaded. When your computer freeze, I'm that computer right now. That's me.
Keep your lower back in the floor.
That's just 13 out of 21 workouts. But it took me a month to get up to this. Like when I first started, I think it was around like 13 workouts. But now as you progress, I'm 21 workouts in now, so being added on to it, the reps are going up. So you got more workouts, more reps, all body weight, at home, COVID-19, no gym, no weights. I might do some dumbbell curls later because I got some 35s, but other than that, all body weight. Guys, you can do it, you can get in shape. Whatever you put your mind to, let's get it. I'm almost halfway through it. My favorite part. Part when I don't do any ab workouts. I'm done. And that's a wrap. So hey guys, what's up? What's going on? It has been 30 days, 30 straight days of working out on and off between days, making sure I didn't kill myself, but at the same time, making sure I was productive. I'm gonna tell you something, it's the first time I've ever done this, and I'm gonna tell you it wasn't easy. Right now, I don't know what it is, but that lazy feeling kept creeping up on me. And you gotta push through it, okay? You gotta push through it no matter how you feel. It was a lot of times where I did not want to work out. I worked out anyway. And I made sure that I fixed how I was eating just to make sure it wasn't something that was in my diet that was making me feel sluggish. I don't know if it was a mental thing, but either way, I made sure that I pushed through it. And you can do the same thing, okay? So, let's see the results.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So guys, how do you think I did? I was faithful to the workouts. I kept going up every chance I got. I actually used an app that helped me scale up. I didn't want to have to worry about putting the exercise plan together. I let an app do it for me, so it's much easier. And man, I'm excited and happy with the results. As you can see, I'm not quite where I want to be yet, but I gotta get rid of some of these itty bitty love handles so I can be as cut as I really want to be. But I think I accomplished a good amount. So guys, this is Troy. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.